The telco actors, both the terminating operators, or let's call it service providers in IPX, and the intermediating operators, let's call them aggregators or carriers or IPX providers, we both have inefficient organizations today because we have resources dedicated to each individual different service. When IPX comes with a multi-service sharing architecture, that's a big challenge for us and for our organizations, because we have to reorganize or to rearrange in a way that we have a common service effort and common service resources, and leaner and a smaller service-specific effort and resources. So that we will have to adapt, hopefully fast. Well, it's been difficult. And maybe that is one of the reasons why IPX has been misunderstood, or there has been so much confusion about, because some people just want from IPX to do transport for them, like an evolution for GRX with more quality, of course, differences. Other people want from IPX the migration to IP of traditional legacy services like signaling. So all they want is a transit role from the IPX providers. And finally, there are other kind of customers who want everything from IPX. They want also the commercial negotiation, and they want the contractual aggregation, which means the having. So IPX is everything, is for all of them. The different services can have different scopes, from transport to transit and to having. So, well, that flexibility takes some time to understand. Well, as a matter of fact, I think that is the problem of the big problem of the industry. I mean, if we don't have attractive retail services for the end users, it's no sense, or it's not useful to have a perfect interconnection solution for those services. So in fact, that's the big challenge for the service providers. We can help from the wholesale side, but basically we should try to have, the telco industry should try to have its own interesting services, so we don't convert ourselves into just a pipe for the interesting services of the online service providers. Well, presently there's already some kind of good aggregating, blending the fixed and mobile world by IPX, because now the over-the-tops or the online service providers, as GSMA prefers to call them, they can now access the end users no matter if they are connected with a fixed access or with a mobile access. So already IPX has helped the online service provider or the OTT world to reach end users in a more transparent and easy way, irrespective of the access technology. But still there are other aspects where IPX can help to this online service provider world. When the OTTs will compete on quality, that is the right moment where the telco industry will have to put value first on the access, with the investment that has been made for a quality access, and in the interconnection also, where IPX provides this end-to-end quality. So yes, I think that IPX is the kind of glue in the interconnection scope for this over-the-top accessing the end users, and because IPX has payments cascading, there's also a new big opportunity that is open to have end-to-end new and innovative business models. So that is something that is not possible with the internet, and that is possible with IPX. So yeah, the answer is yes. Well, presently already we have, for example, in Telefonica Global Solutions, we have already some services over IPX that are for enterprise. There are value-added services on top of typical consumer IPX services. But still, of course, that is not very much extended. But we think that the enterprise market will make a a broader and more extensive use of IPX promise regarding efficiency, multi-service efficiency, end-to-end quality and security, and that is something that the enterprise world is ready to premium, is ready to leverage on.